Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna make this amazing DIY pencil topper. So without wasting any of our further time, let us begin. So in order to make this amazing pencil topper, you will need 4 small size foaming sheets. I'm having 2 simple ones and 2 glittery ones. And you are also going to need is double-sided foaming tape. Now cut the tape in half the size of your foaming sheet. Now you're supposed to paste your tape inside your foaming sheet and remove its unsticky part. Fold your foaming sheet in half and you'll get a really cute book. So there you go, it looks so cute and we are done with our one book. So we're gonna do the same thing with the rest of our foaming sheets and we will get 3 more books. So here we are done with our 4 books and they are looking amazing, and now you can arrange these books in any way you want and secure them into places with the help of a hot glue gun, and you are almost done. And then I took a foaming sheet and rounded it up to the width of a pencil so that it could easily fit the pencil's back. And yeah, just also secure it with the help of a hot glue gun on the right top of your box, and we are done with our pencil topper and it looks so cute and I am literally loving this pencil topper. And that is it for our today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.